Hello and welcome to Isimio. In this video, we'll be giving an overview of Isimio Staffing and how we can use it to manage remote workers and volunteers. Right now, I'm looking at the Staffing Hub, and the main feature here is the live shift map. These markers show me the locations and status of shifts, with green and blue indicating everything is okay, and red and amber indicating issues. I can click on the icons to see additional details. The payroll card here handles time interpretation, which calculates how much a candidate needs to be paid and how much a client needs to be charged. We can also add charts to share information with our operations team. The real magic happens here in our shift scheduler. Right now, we're looking at a schedule that shows us our candidates or volunteers as rows in a grid that shows their work for each day of the week. The green and yellow boxes are individual work shifts. The blue and gray ones show availability or unavailability that is sent through from each worker's mobile app. This purple box at the top is a long-term work order that can last through to the end of the year, for example. From here, I can interact with my shifts just as you would expect. I can drag and drop them between different people or different days. I can copy and paste them with keyboard shortcuts. I can even repeat a shift until a certain date. Let's take this shift and have it repeat every Wednesday until the end of the month. We can see that the shift repeats on Wednesdays now. To create new shifts, all I have to do is double-click on any empty space. I can also double-click on an individual record to edit it. This shows me a form, which I can fill in and press save when I'm finished. Shifts change color if they break any of the rules configured into the system. Those can measure break time, hours worked per shift, capacity at the work site, overtime, and more. Other features in the scheduler include filters, setting the rows to show places, roles, or other attributes of the shift instead of the actual candidate, and of course, one of 5 different scheduling views like Gantt or a monthly calendar. Assigning shifts to people is actually super simple. Well, yes, we can just drag a shift from this unassigned row to a person. This requires a bit of manual planning. We can also let the system recommend candidates by right-clicking and selecting Match. This activates our machine learning algorithm, which can look at everyone's work history and determine who is best to fill in a requirement. It can also take into account my rules, skills, or even personal preferences if you want to set those up. With these results, I can either assign them directly to a candidate by clicking the Assign button, but better yet, I can also invite these people, which sends them a push notification to their mobile app where they can accept or reject a shift. This allows me to quickly fill out requirements that have multiple slots open. I can just invite a particular number of people and let them do the rest. The really cool thing is that you're actually able to develop the system further by yourself. You can create new rules, new data entities, you can create new plugins, and you can even use one of the host of applications available for the Salesforce platform where we are hosted as well. Now, there's a lot more I wanted to talk about, but an important new feature in our app is the ability for people to report their own health status. If anyone is ill, the system can instantly generate a list of people who've worked with them in the past 2 weeks, so that those people can be informed, tested, or maybe taken off the roster. I hope you found this demonstration interesting. If you want to learn more, you can contact us on our website at isimio.com, or you can find me on social media and speak to me directly. Hope you had a good time. Bye.